Good afternoon and welcome to the Annsbrooke subdivision here in Conyers, Georgia. Annsbrooke is a clean, well-maintained and upscale community located less than 5 minutes from all the shopping, dining and entertainment of downtown Conyers, Georgia. The neighborhood also offers a nice-sized clubhouse, swimming pool and 2 lit tennis courts. Hi, I'm Chris May with Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage, and that brings me to my latest listing here at 1670 Canterbury Pointe Southeast. The home sits on just over 3/4 of an acre, and it's a 4-sided brick, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath with just under 3,000 total square feet, including a full basement with both finished and unfinished areas, a full bath and a separate exterior entrance. The roof's been replaced along with the HVAC units. The home's even been painted inside and out. The real oak floors have been beautifully refinished, a new water heater installed and the guest bathroom remodeled, all just in the last 5 years. My sellers also installed approximately $8,000 in custom Plantation Shutters and had custom built-ins installed in the family room as well as the finished basement area, which also has a great office space. The home has a full termite coverage, and my sellers and I even had the home appraised so you can be sure the price is right. Stick around after your tour and I'll show you what the local area has to offer as far as shopping, dining and entertainment. But for now, come on in, take a look around for yourself. I hope you enjoyed your tour of the home. Now let's take a quick look at what the local area has to offer. Less than 15 minutes away is the Cherokee Run Golf Club, which is an 18-hole championship 72 par course with great design features, mini Verde dwarf Bermuda greens, and a clubhouse with upscale golf shop, restaurant, and banquet facility. Down the road just another mile is the Georgia International Horse Park, a great place to take in a horse show or make use of their miles of walking and mountain biking trails, or attend one of the many festivals that come here each year, such as the Cherry Blossom Festival. The home is only about 5 minutes away from downtown Conyers, giving you an endless choice of restaurants to choose from, like Jim and Nick's Barbecue, Ruby Tuesdays, Freddy's has got the absolute best burgers in town, and don't miss the authentic Mexican, outdoor seating, and live entertainment most nights at Los Flores in Old Town Conyers. All the typical chain stores are here like Target, Walmart, Kohl's, Home Depot, Lowe's, and more. Need more entertainment? Try hiking at the Davidson Arabia Mountain and Nature Preserve. The Yellow River is close by for picnicking, fishing, or joining the local kayak club, or just have a plain old night out at the movies at the Crossroads 16 Theater. If you'd like more information, if you've got questions, or you'd like to schedule your own private showing of this home, give me a call at 404-803-4669. Do you have a home to sell? I'd love to hear from you as well. Please visit Raving Fans Real Estate and click the About button to learn more. My listings always receive professional photos. They're listed on 2 local multiple listing services, and they're pushed over 900 websites. I always create an HD video just like this one. Call or email me, chris.may@coldwellbankeratlanta.com. I look forward to hearing from you, and as always, thanks for watching.